So this is how you buy a rig for Apex21. You will need to have two things, that is Trust Wallet and BNB. Okay, so go to your App Store or Play Store, then just search for Trust Wallet. Okay, it should come like this. It has a blue icon. Okay, you can see mine says open because I have the app already installed. So in your case, just install the app, then click on open, then ensure that you set up your password, set up your Face ID, and then your wallet should be set up. Okay, then you need a new wallet. Okay, for me I have different wallets in the Trust Wallet, so just go to the main wallet, click on add a new wallet, create new wallet. Okay, then from there select the secret phrase, then create the wallet. Okay, click on create, and there we go, your wallet has already been created. So you can always skip this part so that it can take you to the wallet interface. Okay, so now your wallet is ready. You can always rename the wallet if you want to. Click on the main wallet 6. Okay, then once you get that particular option, click on that main wallet 6, the 3 dots besides it. Then you can always name this wallet whichever name you want. You can call it my Apex 21, or whichever name you want to give it. If you want to see your seed phrase, you can always click the manual part and you'll get your recovery phrase. Okay, so we have our wallet, that is my Apex21. It is ready. We click on it. If we tap the balance, you can see we have $0. So the next thing is to add BNB to this wallet, because we need to fund it with BNB so that we can be able to buy the rig. So down there where it says manage crypto, click on that manage crypto. Then here the search bar, search for BNB. Okay, then select the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, not the BNB Beacon chain, but rather the Binance Smart Chain. Click the on button besides it. Okay, and if you go back, you realize that now you have added BNB to the list of your coins. Okay, so we have our Apex21 wallet set up, the Trust Wallet. We need to have now BNB. Okay, so what do? Go to the exchange of your choice, or someone has some BNB, they can send them over to you. Okay, so what we do next, we now go to the Binance account. Okay, because you have some USDT here, you want to send them over on Trust Wallet as BNB. Okay, so let's check what we have here. We have $122. This is in form of USDT, $100, and some in form of BNB. So let's convert this $100 into BNB. Okay, so you go to the home page, you go to the top left where you have the 3 lines, then we go to the more services, then under the more services we search for convert. Okay, so there we go. We want to convert 100 and some, let's convert 105 USDT to BNB. So from USDT to BNB. Okay, let's do 105 USDT. So we're gonna get 0.123 BNB. So we preview the conversion and then we confirm. Okay, that means we have converted some USDTs to BNB. Okay, so what do? We're now supposed to send this BNB from our Binance account to Trust Wallet. Okay, so if you check our assets now, if you refresh, you have $106 worth of BNB. Okay, so what do? We go now to Trust Wallet so that we are able to send these BNBs from Binance to our Trust Wallet account. Okay, so we go to Trust Wallet real quick, we key in our password, then we go to the BNB, click on it. Then once you click on the BNB, we should get the address for BNB. So scroll down, and at the bottom part where it says receive, click on receive, then copy this particular address, then go back to Binance, then go to send, on-chain withdrawal, because sending the same as withdrawal. Click on the BNB, then paste the address over there because that is where you want to send the funds. Then on the network, click on the Binance Smart Chain. The amount you can do max because it's gonna be around $106. Okay, then you just click on withdraw. Okay, so once you've done that, confirm the withdrawal. Okay, so once you've confirmed the withdrawal, I will need to enter my code from my authenticator app. Okay, paste the code so that our withdrawal can be processed, and there we go. We have now successfully sent BNB from our Binance account into Trust Wallet. So if you go back now to Trust Wallet, you will see that right now our BNBs should be reflecting here within a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, and there we go. Already we have BNB that has reflected in our trust wallet. Now it's time to buy a rig, okay? So as we said, you just go to the discover part, okay? Click on the discover part. Then at the top part, search for apex21.xyz. But if you have someone's referral link, you can always paste it there, okay? So in my case, I have a referral link. So I'll just come here and then I'm gonna paste the referral link over there. So once I paste the referral link, I click on search or go or whichever that your keyboard tells you to do. Then once I do this, I click on connect wallet. I select trust wallet, okay? He's gonna read Ethereum, okay? In some devices, you give you an option to change this to Binance Smart Chain. Some phones like Android will not allow this. So if it says read Ethereum, it's still okay. You can still connect it while it says Ethereum. So just click on connect and there we go. So the next thing is now to buy a rig. So I have $106, okay, in form of BNB. So I'll just click the $100 minting rig. I click on buy, okay. Once I click on buy that particular rig, I'm gonna get a pop-up in my wallet, more like a smart contract call execution. So I click on confirm, then I enter my password again, and in 3, 2, 1, invest transaction set. And that is how easy it is to buy a rig, okay? So you can always check the status of my rig. I just click on these three dots, three lines rather, next to the address. Then I click on the dashboard, and once I click on that, I am now able to see everything that is happening in my account. My referral reward is here, my Apex21 balance is here. I have already minted 0.0003 Apex21 tokens. I can see everything that is in particular account. So that is how easy it is for you to start minting your tokens, and make sure you start doing this as early as now. So hope to see you at the moon when Apex21 gets to $1 and above.